Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, we are gonna unbox this latest device by Samsung, which is Samsung Galaxy A6 Infinity. So without any further ado, let's get started. On the front, you'll have A6 Infinity mentioned. At the back, some basic features of the phone will be mentioned, that is the Infinity display, 16 megapixel rear plus 16 megapixel front camera, and the device is having a metallic unibody. On the upper side of the case, I'm having a sticker of Indian SIM card only, as I have purchased the phone from India itself. So now let's quickly unbox this device. When you remove the upper case of the device, you'll see the Samsung Galaxy A6 on the top. We'll have a look at it later. So keeping it aside for a while, let's see what's in the lower section. Below, you'll find a quick start manual from Samsung, which will help you to get started with the device. That is having an output of 5.0 volt, that is 1.55 ampere. The box also contains a pair of earphones, as the device is having a 3.5 mm headphone jack. You'll also receive a USB to micro USB cable that will be helpful in charging purposes. Now A6 features a 5.6-inch HD Super AMOLED panel with Samsung's Infinity display design and is having a aspect ratio of 5:9. Under the hood, there is a 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7 series coupled with 4 GB RAM and having a 3000 mAh battery. The device is having a complete matte look from the back. On the left side of the device, you'll have volume up and down key. On the right, you'll have the power key and speaker. At bottom, a micro USB port and 3.5mm headphone jack is included. The rear camera is of 16 megapixel camera sensor with an f1.7 aperture, while the front has a 16 megapixel sensor with f1.9 aperture. Both the cameras come with a LED flash. A6 supports have a dual SIM and have LTE support. Now, on booting up the device, you'll see that the device is running on Android 8.0 Oreo, and the device may receive an update of Android 9. Now, talking about the camera app of the device, the cameras are pretty impressive, and the camera app also includes the support of Bixby Vision. Now, I'm gonna make a separate video on Bixby Vision. So for now, let's have a look at the camera app of Samsung A6. Now, the camera app is pretty simple and the basic interface of Samsung. Default camera app supports live bokeh and background blur shape. Now, when you tap this widescreen icon, the screen will turn into Infinity display, which will help you to take wide-angle shots. The Pro mode will help you to play with ISO and exposure settings. Fingerprint sensor is also included in the bottom of the camera. And telling you guys, the fingerprint sensor of Samsung Galaxy A6 is pretty responsive, as you can see on the display. So guys, this was a complete review and unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A6. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, you need to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for my upcoming videos. You'll get a notification for that. And telling you guys one thing, one more unboxing is coming on this channel soon. So guys, this was for now.
And this is your host, Mr. Android, signing off. Thanks for watching.